Hi guys, so in this video, I'm gonna teach you how to install Python. So since I started making the Python tutorials, I thought maybe some of you don't know how to install Python on your PC or macOS. So let me just start show you how to install Python. So first you have to have a browser, and in your browser you type Python idle. And in here, you can see this link, www.python.org. So click on this link, and in here, you can see the newest version of Python. And then you can just click on download in here. So there are different versions, and you just click download. For example, I want to install Python 3.0. 3.8, yeah, it's 3.8, sorry. So just click onto that and flip into down. You can see there's many files. So it depends on your system, you can use which one. So because I'm using macOS, so I would need to use the macOS installers. But in Windows, you can use all those files. So there's zip files, so you have to unzip it after you install it. So that's how you install the Python. So after you click install, you will see there's downloading here. So in macOS, it will be a package form. So you can just click on it and it will start following instruction and you will be able to install the Python. And after you install the Python, just go search idle, and you click enter, and in here you will see this idle software, and you can create a new file, and you can type your code in and run your Python code. Another way to open the idle is go through the applications. You should be able to find the idle in the applications after you install it. So yeah, it's here. Python is idle. So you just click it and you can still open the Python idles. So another way to run in the Python code is figuring out to install the Python idles. So when you go to the browser, you can search Real.it. So in here you have to sign up first. Afterwards you can log into your account. So this is online software that runs Python code. So you see, if I choose, I can pick which type of code I want to run. There are many types of code, but for me, now I'm just running Python. Let me say maybe a little bit C++, some HTML, and then you click continuous. In here, you can choose creating your first repo. So let's create a Python file. Because it's online software, so we must have a stable internet to run in these softwares. So let me show you let's see the results. Yeah, the result has been found out. And afterwards you can saving these files. And then you can open it anywhere in any computers on your code file, but you must have a good internet for this. So on this website, there's a lot of code you can learn. You can learn in the code that used to build the website, like HTML and CSS or JavaScript. Or you can learn in the programming code, such as Python, Java, and C++. So Python is a really good code because it includes many basics of coding, and especially on this website, you can start from the basics. It starts from the basics, tell you many ideas of how to type in Python using Python. So all the tutorials I made is from this website. So if you don't want to watching videos like my coding tutorial videos, you can just go to this website straight and you can learn it here by yourself. And after you study all those codes, all those things, you can start build your own softwares for real.